Hello! Today I'm going to talk to you about the rose quartz facial roller. It helps to stimulate the skin, and this is my opinion after 1 year of using it. It is said it's ideal for facial drainage, stimulating effects on the skin and blood circulation, anti-wrinkles and anti-sagging. I will teach you how to carry out the massage. First step, your skin has to be clean, no serum or moisturizer. Using the largest stone, we will slide the roller from top to bottom. Remember, this is fast camera. In one direction and avoiding the thyroid area. Do it very slow. Slide it on the area of your chest this way. Remember, this is fast speed camera. The lymph nodes are in these areas. So we are going to use the big stone and stimulate the skin over those areas all the time. Do it also from the jaw to the earlobe and from below to the mouth to hide. Slow and soft. We will continue using the largest stone and we will slide higher. Always from bottom to high. This stone is always fresh and cool, even if you don't put it in the refrigerator. Now, we will use the small stone and go to the forehead in this way, both directions. Always slow. About the brow too. Go back to the biggest stone and massage the area of your cheeks, always outwards. Let's go smoothly to the bottom. Go back to the little stone. It's time for under eye circles. We are about to finish doing the same we did at the beginning. Small stone and eyebrows. Remember, this is a drainage massage, so don't do it at night or it will make you want to go to the bathroom. Small stone and upper lip. Also in the nasolabial folds. Big stone, exert a little pressure now. With the time, you will be used to do this procedure without complications. I really love this stone. Please let me know if you have a quartz roller. I will love to know it. And we are done for today. Wash it and save it in the refrigerator. Is my advice. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.